What are some ways to stand out from your competition? In today's video, I'm going to break down 3 powerful ways that you can outsmart or outbeat or crush your competition with your Amazon product. These will be things like, of course, in having a better listing, but I'll talk about these really 3 key factors for a successful product and to make more sales than your competition. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome back to those of you who are my subscribers. My name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller, mentor, and coach. Right here on my YouTube channel, I release weekly videos covering everything Amazon, e-commerce, and personal development. If you enjoy that type of content, do me a favor right now. Head on down and press subscribe. I can see each and every one of you who take just a minute to subscribe, and I appreciate each of you. My job right here on this channel is to help educate, teach, impact as many lives as possible, sharing and documenting my journey of how I went from a struggling broke drug addict 7.5 years ago to being able to own and build multiple 6-figure online businesses. Let's jump into the video. All right, guys, well, let's jump into it. So what are 3 powerful ways that you can outsmart your competition to make the most sales as possible? Amazon is getting more competitive every single day, right? It's so important that you know these kind of strategies that are going to boost your sales and give you the highest chance possible to break into the market as a new seller and ultimately sell well. Your product sells well, you make as much profit per sale as you can, and continue scaling out your brand with multiple products based off the success of either your first, second, or third product. So let's get into it, guys. So the first thing I want to talk about is just product research and competition. It's going to give you the best chance possible, guys, if you do know how to differentiate your product. You've probably heard that word differentiation. I think it gets thrown around there a lot, though, on YouTube, with YouTubers and people teaching Amazon just saying, differentiate your product, differentiate your product, differentiate your product. But what does that actually mean? And why is it so important? The first thing, guys, is I recommend you sell products where there's not more than like 50 other sellers with the product on Amazon. You can look at the total results up here on the top left. When you open a product on Amazon, you can look at the total results, 163. You can take about half this number, and that's roughly the total number of other sellers. You can look at the main keywords inside of Cerebro and look at right here, the competing products. I like there to be under 1,000 competing products for the main keywords. So that'll give you an idea of how many other sellers are out there. And then you can use the Amazon catalog system where you go into catalog, add products, type in the name of your product, and then go on the left side to the main category and go through pages 1 through 10 and see exactly how many other listings are there. And actually in the Amazon catalog on the left side, guys, it tells you how many listings are in Amazon system for that product. So don't try to be seller number 250 with the same product as everyone else, guys. You really need to differentiate, and I recommend being seller number 1 through 50 with the product first on Amazon. Now, where do you find kind of products like this, right? Because you've probably been taught the private label model where we're finding existing products that are already selling well and then putting our own spin on them. Now, that is accurate, but I think a lot of sellers take the easy route and they try to just, tweak a little adjustment here, a little improvement there, a little different material, a little better packaging. But unfortunately, that rarely is going to be enough, guys. So how do you go about finding unique products where there's 50 or less other sellers? Well, Etsy is working really well right now, guys. You can just go onto Etsy. You can start looking around in the different categories, or you can start in Helium 10 in Black Box under the Keywords tab to start getting unique ideas. Check out some of my other videos on my channel. I've made 2 or 3 videos specifically on finding products on Etsy. I'll link those up above or down below. Make sure to check out those videos. Those will help you find products on Etsy. But with differentiation, guys, you can look at the negative reviews, right? You can look at the negative reviews and figure out what are some common issues or problems customers are having with the product. And then you go to your supplier and you try fixing as many of those as your supplier is able to. If there's like 10 problems with this product, let's say the platform is not big enough, the digits are not large enough, or they stop working, the digital screen here stops working. I mean, you may not be able to do all these improvements on your first order, but if you can, narrow it down, identify the top 3 to 5 solution or problems for this product, and then offer those as solutions through working with your manufacturer, ordering custom samples, that's going to give you a huge advantage, guys, right out of the gate when you first launch. So identify problems with the product by looking at negative reviews on your competitors' listings. You can go into relevant Facebook groups in your target customer base, like fitness groups. And if you're thinking of selling this product, find fitness pages or fitness groups on Facebook, join them, and then as you're in your product development, you can ask questions around what people in the group would like to see out of this product. Or you can run a PickFu poll or Helium 10 Insights, which is a poll that will actually give you real data and real feedback from real Amazon Prime customers, guys. That's Helium 10 Insights or a PickFu poll, where you can put up 2, 3, 4 different designs or versions of this product or bundle offers, and real Amazon customers will click on which one they would prefer or buy over the others. That can give you really powerful insights as well. So we're going to be looking at the negative reviews. You can look at the frequently bought together as well, guys, for what to potentially bundle with this product, down here in the frequently bought together. Look at the negative customer reviews, study the target customer, ask questions, run a PickFu poll or Helium 10 Insights to really get in your target customer's mind and figure out how to make your product better, and then come to market with a much improved product, and you'll do well. So that's step number 1, guys. Product development, product research, and differentiation is so important. Please don't skip over this or try to just, make this a little bit different color, and it comes with these jump ropes. That's not going to be enough, unfortunately, to enter most categories or to launch new products successfully. This product, I don't think I would sell this product, number 1, because it's super expensive. It goes for $100 to $200 on Amazon. So this is going to cost tens of thousands of dollars to order inventory and to keep inventory going. I recommend you try to sell and find products that are around that $20 to $75 price range. That's going to be a good kind of a selling price for your product on Amazon, and a product that you can source for anywhere from $5 to $10. That's going to be on Alibaba from your manufacturer, so you don't run into cash flow issues. So step number 1, guys, differentiation is so key and so important, that you choose the right products that aren't so competitive, so you don't have to just rely on PPC to make sales, right? All right, number 2, guys, is keywords. Keywords are so important, and I hope you understand the importance of keywords. When keywords are important, sure, during the product research phase, when you're validating demand for the product and trying to look at X-ray on the right keywords. But when it's time to create your listing and launch the product, keywords are everything. When you launch a new product on Amazon, Amazon's system doesn't know what your product is. So what they look at, guys, is your title here, your bullet points here, and your back-end keywords to figure out. The Amazon algorithm computer is going to figure out, okay, what's this product and where should it go? So you want to make sure you're going after the right keywords in the right order, in the right places in your listing. I certainly did not understand the importance of keywords and search terms when I first launched my product. Number 1, I had no idea what I was doing with PPC. That's another topic, or I made a 3-part series on PPC recently. You can check out those videos. But PPC, it's its own kind of beast and topic to learn about. But with keywords, guys, I didn't understand the importance of where to put the keywords in my listing. And I thought I could just use the same keywords like that this seller was using and go after the same ones. Now, if you have a very low competition product, sometimes that can work, where you use some of the same keywords that your competitors are using. But where you can really get an advantage, guys, is if you go into Cerebro, you open up, let's say, Cerebro on your top 10 competitors' ASINs. I recommend you go after keywords that have like 1,000 to 30,000 search volume range in the beginning. You want to get keywords that are in organic rank position 1 through 50. That's keywords from page 1 and 2. And then you want to select organic match type and then apply filters. This is kind of the range of keywords that you want to go after in the beginning, guys, and keywords that are highly relevant, that contain your seed or root keyword. Now, you're probably thinking, Brian, what is seed or root keyword? Basically, guys, that's just kind of the very specific name for this product. So workout equipment, does that contain the seed or root keyword for this product? Vibration plate, exercise machine? No. Exercise is not this seed keyword. Workout equipment is not the seed keyword. Home workout gear, those are not the seed keywords. What the seed keyword, guys, is vibration plate. So you would want to target keywords like this in your title, bullets, back-end search terms, description in PPC, keywords that are based off the seed or root keyword vibration plate. As you can build up your ranking, guys, for these longer tail keywords like vibration plate exercise machine, vibration machine, vibration platform. As you build your ranking up for kind of these longer tail keywords with 1,000 to 20,000 search volume, that's going to help you start being able to rank organically for these bigger keywords like exercise machine or vibration exercise equipment. Those types of larger keywords you go after next. So understand the importance of keywords, guys. You can look, do a reverse ASIN lookup on your top 10 main competitors' ASINs up here. Put in your top 10 competitors' ASINs up here. Put in these kind of search volume, organic, rank, match type filters. Go after keywords like the top 10 to 25 that contain your seed or root keyword and build up your ranking on those first. Now, how do you build up your ranking on those keywords first? Well, guys, it just means adding these keywords in exact phrase form, exact keyword phrase like this to your title. The top 3 to 5 keywords should be in your title, left to right in importance. The next kind of best 5 should be in your bullet points, as well as the ones you put in your title, again in your bullet points. And then the next kind of best 15 to 20 keywords in your back end search terms. So title's most important, then bullets, then search terms to get these top kind of 15 to 25 keywords in there. In that order: title, bullets, search terms, then description, and then you'd want to run all of those and test them in PPC. So understand the importance of keywords, guys, and going after the right longer tail keywords, but still super relevant, and where to put them in your listing to optimize them. Okay, tip number 3, guys, on how to stand out and how to beat your competition is understanding the marketing game. What's working really well right now, guys, is TikTok, Instagram, influencers. Now, if you've never used an influencer to help promote your product, essentially, guys, this is just a content creator like myself who's making content or videos or posts on a social media app like Instagram, like YouTube, like TikTok. We're making content, right? Helpful videos or posts on products that we like or products that we use. If you go onto TikTok or even Instagram and type in hashtag Amazon finds, you will be able to go through here and see kind of all these related products that these influencers have made posts on. And number one, I get ideas here for potential products to sell, but I would reach out to this content creator and this content creator and this content creator and send them a message and ask them if they would be interested in partnering to help promote my product. Then I would get their address and agree on a price. Let's say it's $200. I'll send them a free product, and then let's arrange a deal where they do one post or 2 stories, or 2 posts and 2 stories, or 2 posts and 1 story, something like that, like a product review video like this, things that made made my life easier. An example of this, guys, I just saw this last night on TikTok. It's this garage parking mat. This goes in the garage, so you drive your car into it, and it kind of tells you where to stop the car, right? When you pull into the garage. I saw a TikTok video saying avoid bumping into things, know where to stop to avoid bumping into your bumper or like damaging your car bumper. Under a $20 Amazon fix. So I looked it up on Amazon. There's only 2 sellers. How much is this seller making? There was only 2 sellers on Amazon, but I went right to Amazon when I saw this on TikTok. Garage parking assistant aid, this little thing you drive your tire on in the garage to know where to stop instead of the tennis ball hanging. And you can see this product here, guys, is making over $40,000 a month for each one of these colors. Even if it's only half this, $20,000, $15,000, this is still well over $250,000 per month this seller is making with this one product. And there's only one other seller besides this one selling a 2-pack. And there's over 5,000 searches a month for garage parking aid. I found this product on TikTok, guys. It simply was a quick video showing the product being used. And it said under $20 fix for helping you park your car. And then there you go. I found a product idea, and I would reach out to that influencer and these other ones here, depending on what your product is, depending on what category your product is, reach out to these influencers and see if they'll make a post. Same thing on Instagram, guys. You can find influencers in your niche. Just type in hashtag beauty products or hashtag patio lawn and garden, whatever category or niche your product is in. Just find, 5 to 50 influencers and send them a DM or a message and ask if they'd be willing to partner with you and help promote your product. Do customize your message when you're reaching out to influencers, because they receive a lot of different messages every single day from brands and sellers, trying to get them to help promote their products. So customize your message and make sure you have a custom personalized approach when you go to contact them, all right? Where else can you find influencers besides just kind of sending messages on TikTok and Instagram? Shoutcart is another website I like to use. This is where you can browse influencers to help brands. These influencers help brands promote their products. So Shoutcart, we check influencers for accuracy, authenticity, and work with only authentic influencers. It's guaranteed and secure. There's metrics and statistics you can use to track, how many sales did you get. And here you go. You can see these are all influencers with different pages and accounts and followers, and how much they want for them to make a post or a story to get your product in front of their audience. Just make sure it's a very specific audience and customer base that is likely to buy your product, right? You wouldn't want to hire Akon in the music industry to promote a, like a mouse, a computer mouse. Maybe if you're mixing music, but like a coffee mug really wouldn't make sense. Does that make sense? So it needs to be a very relevant following that the influencer has that is likely they're following to buy your product. And then you guys can discuss what type of video or post or story swipe up offer that they're willing to make for you and the price. So check this out, guys. Listing optimization with the right keywords. Understand the importance of going after the right keywords was number 2. Number 1 was be seller number 1 through 50 with the product, not seller number 250. Choose a low competition niche. And then finally, guys, work and partner with influencers on TikTok and Instagram and to help promote your products. Because most sellers, guys, don't utilize influencers or partnerships or know how to do this. And so this is going to give you a huge advantage if you know how to market your product correctly with Amazon, with PPC, with lightning deals, with coupon codes, with the right pricing strategy, with Amazon Post, which is a free advertising platform, sponsored brand ads, all of that combined with influencers, partnerships, and social media promotions. That's going to be what's so powerful, guys, is if you understand and know how to combine all of that. Most of your competitors do not know how to do that. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video, and make sure to drop any comments down below.